guys, we are out here at Cars and Coffee, BMW of Bloomfield Hills.
Impressive. I think everything from the coffee that they serve, they have free crepes. I haven't indulged yet, but it's just something that's like super impressive. Coming from an Audi guy, I don't know.
Just want to say thank you to the BMW community for coming out to our Cars and Coffee event at BMW of Bloomfield Hills. If you're in the market looking for a vehicle or for any servicing needs, please come see us at BMW of Bloomfield Hills.
Yeah, a little rain this morning, and then it cleared up. Then it got a little hot. Yeah. Now it's cooled down. It's a little windy and gray. So.
Alright, I'm embarrassed to admit that this even happened, but when we were on our way home from Cars and Coffee, we stopped and got revolving sushi. And I must have been hungry pulling into the spot because I drove right into the parking block and I cracked my lip down here. It's not really too bad, but it's just right in the middle, can't miss it. So I posted a picture on my Instagram story and everyone started sending me their broken carbon fiber pictures, so I was thinking maybe I'll try to repair this at some point, maybe get some YouTube content out of it, so look forward to that in the future. So as far as the Cars and Coffee, it was a really good time, and if you live in Southeast Michigan, they're going to do another one of these events in August, so just keep an eye on their Instagram page for that. But anyway, just a quick recap of the show last weekend. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.